Yo guys, it's HumbleFx here again. So guys, welcome back to HumbleFx family. This is a trade I want to show you guys. In this video, I want to show you guys how we spotted this entry and how we're able to take on the entry, and right now where we are riding it to. This is 150 pip already in movement. Alright, so first of all, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, right? So like the video and comment on the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified once a new video like this is dropped. All right. So right here, this is a trade on Bone 1000. In the last video I posted, you see, I show you guys how we were able to catch the other trade. This one's here, even though I cleared some of the charts right here. So if you want to watch that, video, you can check on the last video. You will see the analysis on the other trades that we took yesterday, or this week actually. So this is also another trade that we jumped into as soon as market came down to that our TP. You see, if you watch that last video, you see that the market here was our first TP. All right, and then the market come down and hit the TP, start to build up here, and instead of going down to the next TP here, it start to buy. All right, so then we close our trade right before this massive buy started, and then right now the market has come up to here. First of all, it hit our trend line. Let me show you guys. My trend line was drawn on the M30, right? On the M30, that's where I draw my trend line. You can see that the touches here, you can see the touches here. This one did not touch, but it was valid. Now this is the under touch here. All right, so now the market came to this trend line here, and that was not enough for us to take the trade. Number one, it is a psychological level. If you watch closely, you see that this place is a psychological level. Let me give it a line. This place is psychological level. My entry was somewhere here. That's the trend line dots on the dots. That was where I was expecting my trade, my entry. That was psychological level. But when market can get to that point, I had to wait for, because market get to that point. If you look closely here, market get to that entry point, my actually pending order, which you are to be my pending order. But this candlestick that is here is close bullish. All right, so I was now confused if it was going to sell from there or it will keep on pushing up. So I had to wait for entry confirmation. That's why we now waited, and then market start to range. You see I will have two doji. I'll be two pin bars, bearish and bullish pin bar, all at once. At that point, you don't know what to do. Market has to build up there, and I had to go down to my M15. That's where I actually took my entry. M15. So watch out here. You see the build up. So first thing first, you need to allow yourself to see the build up. Now this is the build up happened there, and then the next thing we talk. If you watch the last video, you see that this I'm saying here is exactly what we did in the other two trades we took on the other side. So now you see that this candlestick here is closed below the zone. All right, that candle closed below the zone, and then that was our entry. That's our entry right there. All right, so that's our entry right there. So where's our where's our TP, where's our safest TP? Like I said, always your safest TP is the next zone. So here is the next zone, right? So I'm using this build up here as my TP. All right, that is my TP, my first TP. All right, the second TP should be the final TP right here, which is still very far, about over 100 pips right there. Okay, so guys, that is that about that, and so far so good. We are actually going on 155 pip in progress right here right now. All right, so I have on that trade. I actually entered late on. There's another trade I entered on another account, although that was late because that was account management, and it came late, so I just had to join the trade. So let me show you guys the account. So this is the account I'm talking about, right? This account was funded just now. So because I know that this market is going down to this TP, so I had to take the opportunity, even though we missed the actual entry of this trade, because the account already available at that point, so I had to jump into it. And I'm going for just uh, fi- 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 50 pips. That is where I'm going for on this trade, and that's, I'm in three positions, so that will give us $30 on the account, and that will be the target for the account for today, because I told you guys I go for 30, 20 to 30 pips, 20 to 30% of the account. So if I get $30 here, that's actually 30% of this account, and that is the end of, and that should be the end of the day for the account. So if you want to us to trade for your account, if you want us to manage your account for you, just send a message, or check on the Telegram, the video description. You will see a link to my Telegram handle, or WhatsApp. Then let us get started. Fund your account with at least $100, and then let's get started. All right, so that's just it about that. This is just a new account just coming now, and we are working on it right now. So um like I said, the equity to start to join us on the account management services is $100. But if you cannot afford that, you can come in with $15 account size. So that, although that offer is just for two persons right now. So once they are completed, is just that, then that space is filled up. All right, so now this is just that about that, guys. So all you need to know is that first thing I look at for here is that the market is trending downside, right? It's going down, and then markets, these are our trend line. Market came to our trend line right here and start to build up. So on that build up, I did not enter. I did not enter on the build up. What did I do? I had to wait for market to break out of that build up right here, and then we jump into the market. And that is exactly how we caught the first entry on the other account. Right here is a late entry. We are just going to scalp uh, $30 on the account, and then we'll call it a day for this account. All right, so guys, that is how we do it all the time, and it works all the time. If you check on the previous part, in the previous times, it really works all the time. All right, once the market has broken out of its zone, now look at this particular trade here. I think I traded this pair, or then you see this trend line here is a trend line. Then there is market, it broke out a trend line, and then what happened, it retested it and it shut down. So this is also another kind of pattern that we will talk about. I just wanted to talk about the immediate one, the current one that we're trading on. If I see such kind of trend, such kind of trade on this one, I'll do a video on it. But the one I'm doing right now is the one I just saw it happening live, so that you see it. It's not like a replay mode, or trying to explain a past chart. This one, you are seeing us working with a present chart and working on a live trade already. So at this point, you don't need to panic or say that we are using a past chart to analyze, to teach, or to do an analysis. We are using the current chart and the current happenings, the current pattern, to show you guys that it works. And this is a testament that it is actually working right about that. All right, guys, see you on another video. And remember, you can join the VIP room, which is the elite group now. Right, to join the elite group now, it's just $10 for 1 month. So you can join the elite group, so I can be getting our signals every single time that we drop signals. All right, don't forget to follow, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and comment on the comment section. Don't forget to also turn on your bell notification, so that you don't miss out any single video that will drop. So you guys, I'm going to end the video right now, because I'm not going to wait. We still have about 20 minutes for us to hit our final 20 minutes. No, about 30 minutes or 25 minutes for us to hit our TP. If the market goes straight to TP, then we have about 25 minutes or 20 minutes actually to hit the TP. So, and I will not want to hold the video all the way to that point. Okay, see you in the next video, and then until then, I remain HumbleFx. Enjoy.